What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the
17 Kia Sorento. So we got done on it today. That factory converter there. We did a mid resonator delete right there. We did a rear muffler delete right there. Then ran out a loop flame quad tip out the back. Came out looking nice and clean. A lot better than what was on it. The stock mufflers, these things are huge. That was the mid right here. That was the rear. See how she sounds. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Exactly what I was expecting, but not bad. 108. Go again. 115. That time. That's not bad. All right, we'll let you guys hear it on the inside.